Good afternoon. Summer seems to be a bit of a distant memory, but I can promise you some fairly nice weather for holiday makers or haymakers in the middle of the week. That's not so now, of course. We have one low pressure system running through the country slowly, and it'll be hanging around tomorrow as well. That's Monday. The clouds shroud the east of England out through a large part of central Scotland, but the radar shows with the brighter belts there has been some pretty heavy rain around. The heaviest though in a distinct belt, only lasting an hour or so. There are plenty of showers running ahead of that. So generally around this afternoon we'll see central southern England, a large part of Wales and Northern Ireland picking up that heavier and prolonged burst of rain, showers running through the tail end of that across the Gulf of Sandwich, for example. Then it'll turn particularly brighter with just a few showers after that during the later afternoon and the evening, which means probably a fine end to the day for most of the eastern part of the country, and a good deal of Scotland, though there will be some showers developing up there as well. This evening the concentration of the heavier rain across this middle section, some pretty heavy showers though blowing through in southern parts of England, central England. As I said, not a bad day for the Gulf. It can't be any worse than yesterday, just a few showers running through until the rain this evening, probably after the end of play. Temperatures on the whole disappointing and almost everywhere below average. Tonight the rain continues in this same swathe across the central belt of the country. There'll be some heavy showers still in the north, could be a rumble of thunder. It turned quite breezy this afternoon and this evening and overnight, but generally double figures overnight, nothing to worry about. Tomorrow, with the low pressure still around, the persistent rain, if there will be anywhere, will tend to move from the North Midlands down towards the eastern side of the country, with some pretty heavy showers running in behind. But further north, particularly in Scotland, it should be fairly fine, and the showers will start to die out, I suspect, over southern England later on in the day. Again, temperatures below normal and fairly breezy through the west and the south. Now onto the middle section of the week, which doesn't look too bad at all. We've got a run of northwesterly winds, not especially warm and tending to bring showers with it. But that turns rather ridgy, if you like. High pressure moving in on Wednesday suggests fine weather. So for Tuesday then, these showers will be pretty well scattered. There'll be a good deal of fine, sunny, even warm weather down in the southeast, or at least warmer than it will be today, but fairly breezy at least to start with. The breeze dies down on Wednesday, not a bad day at all for most of the country. Any showers around likely to be in the north and maybe just down the east as well, touching Norfolk. And then the next warm front heralding further rain for the end of the week. So for Thursday and also for Friday, this low pressure moves across the country. The front taking a long time to clear, and with low pressure the dominant theme on Friday, it looks particularly wet. Starting on Thursday then, the winds increase. We bring a lot of rain across the country, most of it light in the south, good deal of hill fog, but pretty heavy further north. A fine start though for the east, and then rain just about crossing the whole country, turning showery once again. Pretty chilly I would have thought, and fairly stiff westerly winds. On Friday then, a day of sunshine and showers in many places, the heaviest rain down the east